Hola mis amores. So as you can see, I already have some makeup on, and I did this other look for a different event that I had earlier in the morning. So for now, I wanted to just like change it up really quickly before my next Zoom meeting, and that's why we're here. Actually, I'm really excited because my next meeting that I have today, it's a little bit more queer. I've been doing a lot of Zoom meetings, meeting with people from all over the world, and I'm really happy that my next one is actually very queer and open and friendly, so I can do whatever I want with my face. As you can see, this is just a cute soft glam, but I wanted to intensify it a little bit and do something more extra, of course, like me. For that, I'm gonna be using these face lace reusable face stickers by Philip Collins. I think they're there we go. And these are actually really good when you want to just change up the look really quickly and do something completely different. So that's what I'm gonna show you here. To do this look, I use these two Natasha Denona eyeshadows, and these are the same that I'm gonna be using as well to amplify this look. So like I said, this is gonna be a more artistic look, so it's not really constraining around the details or how classic my makeup usually is, you know, like classic glam and all of that shit. No, this is more like whatever you want. So I'm gonna take the same brush that I used with this shade right here, which is a metallic green, and these at first I'm just gonna start like literally blending it in and applying it on top of all over my crease, and even touching my brow a little bit. I want this metallic shade to go on top of my brow and just softly blend out like that. I know it doesn't seem like I'm doing too much just because I already had that shade in my eye, but I'm fully like extending it and covering all of the other colors that I had in there. Literally going all the way above my brow and just letting it sit like that. Now with a fluffier brush, I'm gonna take the dark brown shade in this palette and just apply this in circular motions only in the outer part of the eye. Before I drag this out too much and I literally make it into a drag shape, I'm gonna just blend this out just to kind of like keep it seamless on top of my foundation that I had earlier, you know? Now I'm gonna bring up that same shadow that I had in my inner corner before, but actually with a bigger brush now. I'm gonna take this Cosette S175. This, I actually fell in love with this brush because of Miss Fame. She gave it to me in her makeup class that she had here in Miami a couple of years ago. And it's a great highlighter, like a packing brush. So I'm gonna pick this up and literally just apply it again in my inner corner, but this time I'm gonna bring it up just like that, so I can have like this dual chrome moment and literally blend it all the way up. There we go. And this brush, like I was saying, this brush is really good to like for your highlighter, for example, or other areas like that. I think it's just a great blending brush. So this is really cute so far, and I love how blended it is. My brows, I know that you can still see them, but like, you know what, I don't care. We're gonna get to them. Now, to completely move up this look to a different level, I want to do something different here. I'm gonna take this packing brush and I'm gonna pick up that super metallic yellow limoncello in my Jubilee palette from Natasha Denona, and this I'm gonna apply it only in the center of my eye to kind of create like a new like halo, if you would say. And I know this really looks weird right now, and you're like, what the fuck, what the heck is going on? Like, Johnny, come on. But now we're going with the master of this look, which is gonna help me look cute actually. I know that this looks messy right now. But now we're gonna go ahead with the stars of this makeup look, which are gonna be these gorgeous applicators by Face Lace by Philip Collins. I'm gonna just slowly take these. Oh, it's two of them. I love this so much. Oh my god, okay. So they're separated. This is so cool. As you can see, I'm just like unsticking it. Then I'm gonna frame it. And that's it. Ah! I love this so much. Okay, let's do it again. And bada bing bada boom. Just like that. And now you just stick it. Press it in. I think this is such an amazing way for any makeup artist to just completely switch up and change a look. And like, are you kidding me? That's it. Actually, now that I'm seeing this, I want to add a little bit more of highlighter in my inner corners from a different color. This is Chills by Fenty Beauty. I feel like this will match better. And I'm gonna press it a tiny bit to connect kind of that area in between. Yes, you see, give me like a more metallic. I feel like I need to do something else for this. This is too like sickening to just be that, you know what I mean? So I added these horns because yeah, and I feel like with these gloves and the necklace, you know, like it makes it all like a little bit more punk, a little bit more rock, a little bit more dark-ish, which matches more. And I also added in my lips, I added the Nikita Dragon black liquid lipstick, and I think it just works, you know, and it makes everything more cohesive now. Let me know what you think down below. I am ready to log off now and go to my next meeting, so I'll see you on my next video, mis amores. Bye.